Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about is Jayden place. C0rrupti0n up to the time, a cartel I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. C0rrupti0n up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, man, I want to feel like said this was just an empty statement. You see, when them dip on the campaign trail, them tell the most lie. But you see, when them at it with them one another, that is where them reveal their truth, viewers and subscribers. Now, Vybz, yes, Vybz, make a statement recently after Miss Valerie Nita Robinson made a statement. She said, I wonder if a bad mind, a certain embassy, was bad mind when them take away people visa, joking at Vybz's situation. You know what Vybz said? Him say if council spent as much time on her appeals as she spent on social media, she would be sure on one win this year. Hashtag I'm out. Now, may I point out this, viewers and subscribers. Him know Vybz Kartel should have been freed. Clearly. His statement is this. If she had spent more time focusing on her job at hand, he would have been freed. The reason is not about that. The reason is about that there was a clear, viewers and subscribers, factor. The teacher situation should have been resolved. They know that they took the decision, viewers and subscribers, to not resolve Vybz Kartel's appeal. They know the teacher should have been freed. His statement proves that. He now said this for a re-election. He must say this because he's angered. Yeah. He must say, reveal something to the people. He must say, say if you did do that, instead of do that, the artist would have free. Your most famous client, he dubbed. They know the contributions of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. They know. They know an individual of his caliber, a matter of this nature, the evidence that was brought in open court should have not put an individual of this caliber behind the bars. Remember, them said the evidence was so circumstantial in the Exp0se situation that them release him. Factor in, say, yo, this is an individual of this, and the contribution to the community of this and that, and offenses and and then release him. Vybz Kartel being a dancehall artist, dancehall where them have such a big problem with, and being the leading artist of the genre, means them are saying at the forefront of the problem. When them see the teacher matter presented and next, them must say no. We have to find a way to set an example. We have to do this. We do not know why they choose this route from time to time. We don't know why them choose to do it. But it is clear. And vast statement that prove that, viewers and subscribers. Freedom is a must. Freedom is a must. Because internationally, they are not tied in the web of deception that is local. What go on locally now have nothing to do with these people internationally. These people are looking at the situation and say, but wait, what go on a yard? What them a do? What them a try? See it? Where that the DPP should be retiring. But if she receives a special letter, she can continue for some more years. You see what go on the island? Do you see what is taking place on the island? Nowadays, in this day and age, with the advent of technology, the news will travel fast as it up in your ear. So it is no longer, you see, once somebody gonna make the mistake of releasing certain statements, whether by tweet, message, or video footage, there is no what we call damage control what them can do to really sweep certain things under the rug again. the thing we see I revealed recently where them I say Lisa Anna and the Money and the Ray campaign trailer go on. But I follow that. That's a different situations. But in this day and age, when somebody do something and you can either have the recording and send it over, but have to tell somebody Ray, it is hard for you kind of cover it up. We see what took place recently when statements were released from one officer saying something to another officer with something would take place with the officers them. And before them could have done damage control, it was out there in the media. And what them have to do? Them have to just leave it. No public statements were issued. It don't make sense to touch it. But they just allow it. So now in this day and age, they must talk freely if you wasn't subscribers. You have to pick the sense out of the nonsense though. And when he make that statement, they may say, no, say in himself, no. So the teacher should be freed. Then look at that. If even the heads of government know that a case like this should have been resolved years ago. Them know that something else was at play. There was another factor why the teacher was not freed. The evidence show. Them couldn't find evidence to prove them case. But the evidence show. So watching it wasn't the case itself why the teacher wasn't released. There were other reasons yet to be revealed. Maybe somebody had got it with somebody else again and them got talk something else. Because so I go on. But them know. We did always know. But here, somewhat of a public admission. So watching you should have your client freed. A trade there so follow up social media. Them know say yo, something big take place publicly where most people they've not pay attention to. The teacher was not released on his local appeal, even though them prove say what evidence that them used for convict was tampered with. And the evidence that them used in the appeal for uphold the standing of the initial conviction was also evidence that was tampered with. Them said the voice notes retrieved from the phone that was tampered with. So why did I use evidence that we'd consider wouldn't consider it just as circumstantial? We'd consider it as evidence that was tampered with. It touched by too much people. Edited. Why did I use that from the device? Even if it wasn't from the specific device before, but we know say the same procedure happened to all the devices. And that's I want to use because there was nothing else to use. The most damning part of their evidence was the tampered with evidence. They have a statement from the so-called crown witness that changed from time to time. Them say this, then them say that, then them say something else, then they don't remember what them say, then them try to freestyle it. That couldn't use. Plus remember, them know this, them know whenever they go stop. So they know so whatever them try, them don't want it look like a big blunder when international court see it and say, but wait, we want to say use statement from somebody who changed 3 or 4 times. They ain't find him in contempt. Then if you might change statement, they will never find him in contempt. That's a basic law. Me know that. And me not go law school. I know that. You can't get 2 different statements in court. You can't. As a matter of fact, you can't get 1 statement and then reach a court and get a different statement. Much less you got to change it while you're there. We all know this. It's a fact. There's something with common sense that there's something there. Because as I say, everything's being documented. While you're talking to one person and type up, you must realize what you know, them are documenting what you're saying. Because what she type and me alone talk and she write. I can't fear work she do in a code. I can't get something to type up, leave her office and come in an open code, come type it. I must when me and she type up. So you must realize that what you're saying is on the record, as they would say. And you change your statement, knowing your statement is on record. Them couldn't use it. Them try something else. Freedom is a must do. A first world international court will realize what you know. It's like our court a yard loose. Because just put it as that. We're not gonna make a statement for them feel that way. All you're gonna say is like our court's a yard loose. Talk to me in the comment section with and subscribers. Vybz and Nita Robinson should have had Vybz Kartel freed. Me agree with it. Surprisingly. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you know. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon there as well. Drop a like on the blog for me like with your viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, now move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and George is of course we wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again. You know the something. Remember, you know, comment section open, like icon there, subscribe icon. Remember to use them up until the reason again. Yeah man, now move settings.